Alright, the engine's going pretty good. So you're getting this one-handed now. Pick her up, swing her over. And I gotta get the other control. You see, dump it. Oh, that's the wrong way. Other way. Try to shake her out. Okay, then you get the other control. It's hard with one hand, but learning this thing, you gotta try to knock down the sidewall here like this. Go. Then I can scoop it. The other one. Alright. Pick up. Pick her up. Go over there. Dump it. And again. It's nighttime digging. Here we go. A little different with one hand. A little bit coordination on one hand. See? Drag her over. Right there. Dump her. Then, again. B26. Putting in the work tonight. Gonna dig this hole. Gonna give me some experience on this machine too. So I'm looking forward to that. It's a good opportunity for that. Get down the controls. See another one. There we go. So we're gonna put in another one. Down. Scoop her up. Pick her up. Go over. Dump. So now I'm going to get back to work with both hands. I wanted to show you guys. Got some controls here. Got my legs there. And I got some RPMs going. Yep. See here, I'm at 2,000. I'll probably bump her up. See how we go. Yeah. Doing some digging now, baby. Oh yeah. Getting her going, baby. Getting her going. Here we go. Yeah, it's money. Yeah, it's money. That's some money, baby. Here we go. Yeah, we're getting this. We're getting it. Now, baby. Doing it now. There we go. Go again. Yeah. Got skill. Getting better by the minute. Yeah. Look at that. That beat. That bucket working, baby. That bucket working. Oh yeah. Here we go. See that? Let's see here. Do a little bit of adjustment. Go down. That. One-handed control, baby. So I'm getting better at this. Not bad for a little bit of experience. Here we go. Do it again. You gotta work that bucket. Work it. Make, like they say, money. That's what money looks like right there, baby. Yeah. Getting her done. Getting it done, baby. Getting it done. I think you guys will enjoy this little video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm just trying to show you guys what I do here. Open ranch work here and there. As we grow. This is the real ins and outs, man. We gotta dig these holes. Different reasons. Getting her done. I'll be digging more holes later on. pretty impressed. Didn't think this thing could dig so well. Now we're getting it. Getting it going. So I want to give you guys a good video of this stuff going on. One-handed operation, not bad, not bad. It's going, going, going. Look at that, we're getting some depth now, baby. Yeah. So I'm gonna get back to work, but I think you guys got a good video here now.